I'm going to show you a recipe today that I always make whenever I have a really early morning. मेरे पास time नहीं होता और मुझे फटाफट कुछ अपने लिए prepare करना होता है. Something easy, something tasty, something perfect for a tiffin that you can carry with you. That is a Paneer Bhurji recipe. Let's get started. We are going to take some ghee here. And I'm also going to pour some oil in it. Now, I'm going to take some jeera that's going to go and sizzle. It has a very beautiful smell with the ghee in the pan. I'm going to take some ginger garlic paste. And now either you can buy it off the market or you can actually make a big batch ahead of time and freeze it in your freezer. That will be like a very easy way for you to have some natural ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add some freshly chopped onions to this pan. And I'm going to saute it till the time it becomes a little golden brown. We're going to give it a good stir. Once our onion is becoming translucent, I'm going to start adding our spices. Some turmeric, some Kashmiri red chili powder, and I'm going to toss it well. I'm going to mix it up well and cook it till the rawness of the haldi goes away. Now our masala seems to be getting done. What we are going to add is some chopped tomatoes. You want to use the best kind of tomatoes that you can possibly find. Beautiful red juicy tomatoes. अगर आपको लगे कि आपका ये मसाला थोड़ा सा dry हो रहा है, you can add a little bit of water to it. Mix it up. To fasten up our cooking process, I'm going to add in some salt at this stage. Now our tomatoes are cooked pretty well and we are able to mash it as well. What I'm going to do is take some of these chopped capsicums and add it to this masala. Now I want a little crunch of this capsicum. मुझे वो fresh flavors काफ़ी पसंद आते हैं. If you want to cook it more, you can. Otherwise, after mixing it up, you can simply add paneer to your pan. Mix it very well. We are going to let it cook for about 30 seconds. One final step of our recipe is to add the garam masala because that is what helps to give us the beautiful smell in our recipe. We are just going to mix it up a bit. I'm going to throw in some chopped green chilies. Toss it up. Finish it up with some freshly chopped dhania. This bhurji is now ready to be served. You can use it as a stuffing for a sandwich, put it in a dosa, or make a simple roti roll out of it. Enjoy it.